I'm Dr. Zoran Vizek, and I'm a program director of the department that is called Chemical Engineering and Applied Chemistry at Aston University in Birmingham. As the name says, it's pretty clear we are here combining chemistry with chemical engineering. So, whichever of the programs you decide to go for, or the course, you will be able to learn excitement, knowledge and skills from chemistry and chemical engineering, becoming a chemist or a chemical engineer. That will bring you an exciting opportunity to, in your future career, work in a wide range of industries, with pure chemistry in the labs, with process industry, with biochemistry, bioengineering, new materials or pharmaceuticals, many more to mention.
Hi, my name's Stephen Worrell and I'm one of the chemistry lecturers here at Aston University. I'm stood right now in our main chemistry teaching laboratory. It is a huge room which is fully kitted out with all of the equipment and safety features that you need in order to complete the experiments that you'll be tasked to do. These experiments will give you the skills that you need in order to then go off and work in chemical industries, but also potentially chemical engineering industries as well. Because whether you're a chemist or a chemical engineer, you will use these facilities in your time with us. Safety is very important. You might be able to hear the fume cupboards in the background pulling away the air that's in the lab. These are really important because it enables our students to work with dangerous chemicals that otherwise they wouldn't be able to, and it means they can do it in a safe and careful manner. So in this lab, you will be doing a variety of experiments starting from your very first week here. Initially, we build up your skills from the bottom, so we do basic things like titrations, how to weigh properly, how to make solutions accurately, but as you progress through your time with us, you will do more and more advanced synthesis, making drug molecules, making very colourful inorganic complexes that might be useful for fighting antibiotic resistance, and then in your final year, you really go on to do some very complex chemical processes that set you up ready for the jobs that you will get when you leave us. Adjacent to our main teaching lab, we have what we call our Analytical lab, which you'll also see on the tour. In this lab, we have all sorts of characterization and analytical equipment that will enable you to both characterize the compounds and the chemicals and the drugs that you make in the main lab, but it will also teach you a variety of skills so that when you leave us, you will be trained in how to use all this different characterization equipment. We've got a whole range of stuff in this lab, from gas chromatography, liquid chromatography, different sorts of spectroscopy, UV and IR. We're always investing in new equipment, however. In the last year, we've invested over £150,000 in two new pieces of equipment. A benchtop X-ray diffractometer, which enables us to analyse the atomic structure of materials, and also a benchtop scanning electron microscope. And this means we can look at materials on the nanoscale, understanding their properties. And you will get to use both of these pieces of equipment if you come and study chemistry with us.
Welcome to Aston Chemical Engineering Laboratories. In this laboratory setting, we deliver practical sessions for a wide range of the second-year modules, such as reaction engineering, separation processes, and heat and mass transfer. After these labs, our second-year students are equipped with practical skills they can utilize either during the third year, where they're working towards their final projects, or, most importantly, in their professional life.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rob Evans. I'm Senior Lecturer in Physical Chemistry and the academic in charge of the nuclear magnetic resonance facilities that you'll see on the tour. I'm rather proud of the equipment in that room. We've invested in it carefully over the last year or two to have some really nice up-to-date and improved equipment in the room. And it's also good to see students in there acquiring data and spectra that confirms what they've been up to in their labs and helps progress their research projects in the final years of their course.
We have recently introduced a new module in third year called Biotechnology and Bioprocessing. This is to expand on the core expertise of chemical engineers and expand it towards a new and growing sector, which is the biosector. This includes industries in biotechnology, in biopharmaceutical, in food and processing industries, and here we'll help you to get prepared to start in this career. In this module, we'll not only go through the typical lectures and recording materials, but also you'll have the opportunity to participate and undertake virtual labs. The virtual labs are a really nice tool for you to understand how it really works in a laboratory setting, a process where we are using microbes, for example. A typical experiment you will undertake in these virtual labs is running a fermentation to produce beer. And this is a process in which yeast are used to produce the final product, which is the beer that we drink on our table.
So, if you decide to join us, we are happy to teach you the knowledge and skills that will lead you to your chemistry or chemical engineering degree.